Hello YouTube family, happy Friday. Today I'm going to talk about the new system I've been talking about, called OLSP. The new site just came out yesterday, and I watched the webinar, and the site will turn you crazy. I promise you, y'all gonna like this one. So before we get into the video, like, share, and subscribe, and I will introduce myself, and then we'll get on to the video. My name is Primm, and I've been doing this since 2022 or 2023. Something like that. Somebody that is on the neurodivergent side of things, I'm like, I didn't want to do it because it's too complicated and all that. But I decided, let me get this a try, and I got some results, not big results, but something tangible. So, excuse me. So I wanted to show y'all the new site. So, this is the new site. So this is what you get as soon as you join, and it's free to join. So you don't need to pay, by the way. Alright, so, and then, let me show y'all the other parts. Hold on. Okay. Here's the site itself. Can y'all see that? That's the website. That's levels. They just revamped the whole thing. And let's see, I can find some other stuff. Hold on. Alright, let me see. Y'all give me 1 minute. This is the affiliate side of the thing right here. So you got your dashboard, you got your promotional links, and etc. on that one. And let's see what else. I'm gonna show y'all the community as well. So here's the skill center right here. This is where you'll learn. This is the owner right there. This guy's been doing this for decades, so he knows what he's doing. That's Wayne Crow. He knows exactly how to promote. He'll help you. He'll do webinars, training, and all that. So if somebody attends it, they get $5, and so just for attending. So you get paid to learn. Kind of awesome. Other systems don't do that. Don't do things like that. So this one does. Let's see what else. See what else I'm missing. Give me a minute, y'all. Let's see. This is the support. So if you need help, that's the support right there. That's support right there. Y'all see that again? Alright, show it again. There we go. Now let's go to the community. Oops. One thing. Sorry about that. So this is the community. This is very active. So everybody's gonna talk to each other, help each other out, introduce themselves, and all that. So that's very nice that they had a community. So I wish other programs would have that, but like I said, not as much. But this one does. And now, let's see what else. Let's see what else I'm missing. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. People talking about their results and all that. Showing their results and etc. And then, let's see what else I need to cover. Let's see. They also have different packages. Like they got the Lightning Profits Builder right here. Explains everything with the heads, and then you got the mega link. You got the free level. The mega link $7 one time, and the free level you just coming for free. They got live profits, community builders, elite, and VIP. But you got to book your way up on those, and they do cost a price. So let's see what else. And then you can contact your upline. So there you go. Contact your upline right there if you need help. So if you join me, I'll be glad to be around to help you guys out. So there you go. Let's see what else. What else I need to cover. What else I need to cover. Oh, the bonus votes. Show y'all that. That's the bonus. So you can put your own bonuses on there. So my recommendation is just put the bonus that can help your team. You know, help your team out. Tell them how to get started and all that. Not going around and blasting your opportunities like that. Okay, let's see. Let's see what else I'm missing. Oh, here's the leaderboards. These are the leaderboards right here. I'm 47. Yeah, I can see. So you can get on the leaderboards through various ways, like going through the training, attending the webinars, lead sales, you know, all the whole 9 yards. So there you go. And here's the points. This is how you earn points. Let's see. Let's see. I can scroll through. Oops, I'm scrolling back. This is how you earn the points. So there you go. Let's see what else I'm missing. I think that's that. So that is my video of on the new OLSP system, the back office, showing y'all the back office and more. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. My call to action is to click the link below in the description, and let's go. This is the best system I ever liked, and I'm gonna promote this one. So this is a great one, and I love it, and etc. And I like how Wayne will teach your team, and they get paid for it, more incentivization, and etc. So, like I said, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care and have a great